Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the area of a triangle. We have three triangles here, right, acute and obtuse, and I'm going to show how to calculate the area in all three of these triangles. Firstly, we need to have the base here horizontally. So this triangle could be rotated this way, so the base would be at an angle. So we need to make sure that the base, same for all the triangles, is horizontal. Then we need to find the point, the highest point of the triangle from the base, which is for the right angle, this point here. For the acute, it's this point here. And for the obtuse, it's this point. From this point, as you can see, we draw a line straight down to the base. I've drawn this in pink highlighter so you can see. Now this needs to be perpendicular to the base. As you can see, all these are perpendicular to the base. Now this gives us a height. So we have the base, and then we have the height. So the equation for area of triangle is A equals 1 divided by 2 times base times height. Now we have the base, which we placed horizontally, and then we have the height, which we have calculated from finding the highest point, called the vertex, of our triangle. So, and as you can see, the height is different on all three. The line on the right is in line with one of the sides. On acute, it's inside the triangle, and on the obtuse, it's outside of the triangle. But this equation we use on all of these. It's the same equation using for each different one. In this video, I'm just going to go through the different ones, just do a few calculations, just to show how to calculate the area. So we'll start with the right. So we have A equals 1 divided by 2. Then we have base times height. So we can work out the base, which is 11 millimeters, times the height, which is 8 millimeters, times 8 equals 88. And then we have millimeters times millimeters, which equals millimeters squared. That's what the answer will be. So then we have A equals 1 divided by 2 times 88 millimeter squares, which then equals A equals 44 millimeter squares. So that is the area for this right triangle. Now we will do acute. Same again, I'll write out A equals 1 divided by 2 base times height. And we have 7 and 9. So we can do 7mm times 9mm, which equals 63. And again, millimeter times millimeter is going to give us millimeter squared. So then we can put that into our equation, which is A equals 1 divided by 2 times 63 millimeter squared, which gives us A equals 31.5 millimeter squared. So this is now the area for the acute triangle. Now we will do the obtuse. So we have A equals 1 divided by 2 base times height. So we have 6mm as the base and 10mm as the height. So we can do 6mm times 10mm, which equals 60mm squared. Then we can put that into our equation, which is A equals 1 divided by 2 times 60mm squared, which then we get the answer of area equals 30mm square. And this is the area for the obtuse triangle. I hope that makes sense and will help you when calculating the area of a triangle. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.